Dear friends, good morning to all. This is your RAPETI Suryanarayana advocate from Visakhapatnam. In the previous sessions, I gave many lectures with regard to various topics. All those topics are useful to the layman and layman, and also to the students who are preparing for judicial competitive exams and other competitive exams. In this session, let us discuss with regard to the topic decree. What do you mean by decree? Let us see. The term decree is defined in section 2, subsection 2 of Civil Procedure Code. The term decree is defined in section 2, subsection 2 of Civil Procedure Code. Here, the decree means the formal expression of an adjudication. Decree means the formal expression of an adjudication. That means the formal expression of decision. That means the formal expression of an adjudication which so far as regards to the court expressing it. I hope it is clear to all. Decree means the formal expression of an adjudication which the court expressing it. What the court is expressing? Adjudication. Decree means the formal expression of an adjudication which the court expressing it. That means the court expressing adjudication. I hope it is clear to all. Decree means the formal expression of an adjudication which the court expressing it conclusively determines the rights of the parties. The rights of the parties with regard to what? Conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. I hope it is clear to all. The decree means the formal expression of an adjudication which so far as regards the court expressing it conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. I hope it is clear to all. First point, decree means the formal expression of an adjudication. Formal expression of an adjudication which the court expressing such adjudication which the court expressing it conclusively determines. That means the court expressing adjudication, that adjudication or decision conclusively determines. Conclusive means finally. Conclusively determines what? The rights of the parties. What conclusively determines? The rights of the parties. Parties of what? Parties of the suit or proceeding. That means the formal expression of an adjudication which so far as regards the court expressing it conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to what? The rights with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. That means conclusively determines the rights of the parties of the suit with regard to all matters or any of the matters in controversy between the parties to the suit. I hope it is clear to all. Simply, the decree means the formal expression of an adjudication. That adjudication is expressing by court. The court expressing it in what way? In a conclusive way. The court expressing it conclusively for determining what? For determining the rights of the parties with regard to what? With regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. Whatever the matters or controversy between the parties in the suit, that matters shall be determined by the court conclusively and expresses its decision. That is nothing but known as a decree. I hope it is clear to all. Once again I will repeat. Decree means the formal expression of an adjudication which conclusively determines. Decree means the formal expression of an adjudication which the court expressing it. Who will express that adjudication? Who will express the decision? The court. Which the court expressing such adjudication conclusively determines. That means finally decides the rights of the parties of what? The rights of the parties of the suit. With regard to what? With regard to matters in controversy in the suit. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. I hope it is clear to all. Next, decrees means formal expression of an adjudication which court expressing it conclusively determines what? The rights of the parties. With regard to what? Matters in controversy in the suit. I hope it is clear to all. Next, this decree is based upon the judgment. Decree is based upon the judgment. Decree always follows a judgment. Decree always follows a judgment. That means judgment is made before the decree. That means a judgment is made prior to decree. Here I said that decree is based upon judgment. Then judgment is based upon, already I said in earlier class, judgment is based upon facts of the case. I hope it is clear to all. The judgment is based upon facts of the case. That means basing upon the facts of the case, the judgment will be pronounced by the court. And decree is based upon the judgment. That means the decree always follows a judgment. It means a judgment is made before the decree. That means prior to decree, what will be prepared? Judgment will be prepared. That means judgment is prepared prior to decree. So decree always follows a judgment. I hope it is clear to all. It is important. Decree based upon judgment. Judgment is based upon facts of the case. Decree is made before or prior to, judgment is made or prepared before or prior to decree. That means judgment will be prepared before preparing decree. So decree always follows a judgment. I hope it is clear to all. Once again repeat this point. Decree is based upon judgment. Judgment is based upon facts of a case. Decree always follows a judgment. Why? Because the judgment is made prior to decree. I hope it is clear to all. And already I said that in the earlier session lecture that judgment is a statement given by the judge on the grounds of decree or order. That means statement of the grounds of decree is nothing but known as judgment. As per section, already I said earlier, what is that section? It is also stated in section 2, subsection 9. It deals with judgment. Here, again, it shall, while coming to the decree, I said that decree means the formal expression of an adjudication, formal expression of decision, which the court expressing such decision or adjudication conclusively determines, that means finally determines with regard to, with regard to rights of the parties of the suit, with regard to matters in controversy in the suit. I hope it is clear to all. So, in decree, the controversy between the parties in the suit will be determined conclusively by the court, and that court expresses its decision. That is nothing but known as decree. Expresses its decision in a formal. That is nothing but formal expression of an adjudication. It is nothing but known as decree. I hope it is clear to all. Next, deemed decree. It shall, decree shall include, decree shall be deemed to include any adjudication. Decree shall be deemed to include the rejection of plaint. Decree shall be deemed to include the rejection of plaint. Rejection of plaint, what is the provision? Order 7, Rule 11 of Civil Procedure Code. Decree shall be deemed to include, that means deemed decree, the rejection of plaint. It shall be treated as deemed decree. Decree shall be deemed to include the rejection of plaint and the determination of any question within section 144 of Civil Procedure Code. That means, what is section 144 of Civil Procedure Code? Application for restitution. That means, deemed decree, rejection of plaint is termed as deemed decree. It is stated in subsection 2 of Civil Procedure Code as a decree shall deemed to include, the decree shall deemed to include the rejection of plaint and the determination of any question within section 144 of Civil Procedure Code. I hope it is clear to all. That means, the determination of any question within section 144 of Civil Procedure Code, that is nothing but with regard to application for restitution. The determination of restitution application is also nothing but known as deemed decree as per section 2 subsection 2 of Civil Procedure Code. That means, deemed decrees, rejection of plaint is also a deemed decree, and determination of any question within section 144 of Civil Procedure Code is also comes under deemed decree. I hope it is clear to all. And as per this section 2 subsection 2 of Civil Procedure Code, the decree shall not include any adjudication from which an appeal lies. Any adjudication from which an appeal lies as an appeal from an order. That means, this is not comes on decree. Any adjudication from which an appeal lies as an appeal from an order. it is not a decree. Or any order of dismissal for default, it is also a not decree. Any order of dismissal for default is not a decree, and any adjudication from which an appeal lies as an appeal from an order is also not a decree. Then what is a deemed decree? Rejection of plaint is a deemed decree, and determination of any question within section 144 of Civil Procedure Code is also termed as a deemed decree. I hope it is clear to all. I said that decree means the formal expression of an adjudication, which the court expressing it in what way? In conclusive way. That means in final way, which conclusively determines the rights of the parties of the suit with regard to what? With regard to controversy of any matter or all matters in suit between the parties of the suit. I hope it is clear to all. So, kindly share my videos to your friends, relatives and others, and like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.